Where is my mind? Where is my mind? What is happening? That's me grabbing the common sense out of the air so that I can speak. We're gonna spin. We're gonna spin and we're gonna reset. Hi Mom, and welcome back to this video. So today I'm going to be doing a palette bingo style video. I already have one of these up on my channel with the Juvia's Place Valhalla 2 palette, but if you're not familiar with what a palette bingo is, I will enlighten you now. Basically, it's where you take one palette with a lot of shades, or in my case today, multiple palettes, and you generate shades randomly using a number generator, and then you're gonna come up with like a palette of 5 to 6 shades, and you're gonna have to make them work together. So no matter what the combination Pizza Hut and Taco Bell. Is that how that goes? No. No matter what the combination is, you gotta make it work. Today, I'm gonna be doing that, except I'm gonna be doing it with the Colourpop State of Play Vault. This has 6 monochromatic Colourpop palettes in it, and I have generated one shade for each palette. We're gonna open it up and find out what those shades are, and then we're gonna make them work into an eye look, if that makes sense. If you like this kind of content, if you have fun with makeup and eyeshadow content, a little bit of tomfoolery, a little bit of messiness, sometimes squishmallows, if you like that kind of thing, then please subscribe, like, and comment, and we're gonna get right into it. So I got this for Black Friday, and we're gonna open her up. I haven't touched any of these yet. This is how it came. It's got these little stars and like lightning bolts and stuff. When you fold it out, you've got all of your palettes. For the first palette, we're gonna do Cloud Spun, which is the pink. Looks like this. She's really pretty. So for palette number 1, I already generated the numbers because I use my phone to film. We're gonna have to use shade number 4. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a shimmer called Pixie Stick, and it's like a mid-toned pink shimmer. Palette number 2 is gonna be Baby Got Peach palette, which looks like this. For palette number 2, we generated shade 7. We have 9, 8, 7. So this is a matte. It's called Ochre. Ochre? I think Cardi B is to thank for that. And this one is like a matte, sort of very vibrant, like terracotta. Palette number 3, Going Coconuts. We generated shade 6. So that is gonna be Shell Yeah, which is this sort of mauve-y tone. For palette 4, which is the Mint to Be palette, we generated number 2, so that's gonna be a shimmer. It's gonna be this green shimmer right here called Minty. This is really gonna be an interesting color story. Minty, right there. Palette number 5 is On Cloud Blue. For this one, I generated shade number 6. That is a matte mid-tone blue called Bright Eyed. This is number 6, but I generated shade number 8, which is this matte purple. Ooh, that feels really good. This is what our palette looks like. It's kind of a little bit of the rainbow. We've got 2 shimmers and 4 mattes. I think I'm gonna do warm on the top lid and cool on the bottom lid and put the green in the inner corner. I'm gonna start with that terracotta called Ochre in the Baby Got Peach palette, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And let's just do it. Yeah, there's quite a bit of kick up on this shade. Okay, so we got that. Go into that shade from the Going Coconuts palette. And this is gonna kind of tone it down a little bit. Now let's use that Pixie Sticks shade, which is in this palette that I'm holding, and we're gonna put it all over the lid. Okay, Now, I'm going to take that purple from the Lilac You Lot palette called Iffy, like the richest purple in the palette, and I'm going to run it on the lower lash line. So far these are pretty fast to work with. It's going pretty fast. In the blue palette, I used Bright Eyed. I'm going to run the blue underneath this to blend out the purple. Now, I'm going to take that mint shade called Minty and use it as an inner corner highlight. Okay, so that is our palette bingo eye. I think it turned out pretty cool. I really am into that green inner corner, actually. That's really neat. Put on some mascara, shall we? Put some blue in the waterline. Now let's put on some blush. I have this big Coastal Scents palette. I think I'm gonna go in with this like light peach. Should I do this pink highlighter from Wet n Wild? I'll do the pink highlighter. My other dog wants in here, but I'm almost done. Spray this. Let's just put on a little bit of this gloss from Wet n Wild. Let's just do that. Okay, and that is the finished look. A little cool tone on the bottom and warmth on the top, and then that pop of green in the inner corner. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty unique. Yeah, so this is what we came up with today. If you like this style of video, make sure to let me know so I can do more of them. And if you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Mom.